This is how easy it is to install your decked drawer system. It turns your truck from this to this. Just kidding, it's not quite that easy. Here's a little recap on the install while I tell you all about the benefits of having a drawer system from Decked USA. First of all, this drawer system has a 1,000-pound payload, which is something that's super important to me because my truck is frequently my mode of travel and is often really loaded down on trips. The drawers have a 400-pound capacity, which is also great for storing all the gear that you need. Despite the heavy weight capacities, the drawer system itself only weighs 200 pounds, which doesn't require you to get stronger leaf springs to support it. I really love that the drawer system is 100% weatherproof, meaning whatever gear I have stored in it is safe from all the elements when I'm out exploring. The drawer system also has these side cubbies for extra storage, as well as hooks on top of it so you can still strap things down securely. You'll find me using this drawer system for everything this summer. Go grab yourself one today and watch your adventuring get that much more organized and simplified.